Earn 5 Kula for completing the Instagram social bounty. Hold at least 600 Kula, follow the Kulaplaza Instagram page and like one of the Kulaplaza posts. Share the post on your story, make a screenshot and invite 3 of your friends to follow the Kulaplaza Instagram. Locate the Instagram bounty section on the airdrops and rewards page. Click on the link, or log in to Instagram and locate Kulaplaza. Click on follow, to start following the Kulaplaza Instagram. Share a Kulaplaza post on your timeline. Select a post by clicking on it. Once you have selected a post, click on the share icon. Write a message and click on Add Post to your story. Select Send to. Select Share next to your story, followed by clicking on Done. Once your story is uploaded, go back to the Kulaplaza page and like one of its posts. Select the like icon. Invite at least 3 of your friends to follow Kulaplaza by sharing the Kulaplaza page with them. Select the 3 dots in the top right corner, followed by the Share This Profile option. Write a message and send it to 3 of your friends. Once completed, you can log in to your ICO account to claim the Instagram bounty reward. Select Bounty from the menu. Locate the Instagram bounty, and click on Apply. Provide your Instagram username in the notes, add the screenshot and click on Submit. Once you have successfully completed the bounty, 5 Kula tokens will be added to your Kula ICO account upon approval by Kulaplaza. Check out the other bounties to earn even more rewards.